Hello children, now we will solve 7th main of exercise 2.1. The question is simplify. First one question is 25 into t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into 10 raised to minus 8. So we'll write this one. Now 25 we know that 5 square is 25. So instead of 25, we'll write 5 square into t raised to minus 4. To the denominator 5 raised to minus 3 into, now this 10 will write 5 into 2 into t raised to minus 8. We know that if there is no power means always there will be 1. So here we have to use this law, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If base are equal, multiplication means we have to add the power. Therefore, 5 raised to 2 into t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 plus 1. This 1 comes here into 2 into t raised to minus 8. Means it is equal to 5 raised to 2 into t raised to minus 4, 5 raised to minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 1 it is minus 2 into 2 into t raised to minus 8. Now next here we'll use a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. If base are equal, division means we have to subtract the power. Therefore, 5, this minus 2 goes to there, it becomes plus 2. Now see, or else you can write like this, 2 minus 2 into t minus 4 minus 8. Yes, like this also you can solve, divided by this 2 as it is. Now is equal to 5 raised to minus into minus it is plus. So 2 plus 2 into t raised to minus 4 minus into minus plus 8 divided by 2. So the answer is equal to 5 raised to 4 into t raised to minus 4 plus 8, it is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 5 raised to 4 means we have to multiply 5 4 times. Yes, means answer is 625 t raised to 4 divided by 2. This is the answer. Okay, this is the second one question. It is very easy. 3 raised to minus 5 into, now this 10 will write 2 into 5 raised to minus 5 into this 125. We know that 125 is cube of 5. So I'll write 5 cube. Next 5 raised to minus 7 into this 6. I'll write 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 and this minus 5 as it is. Now here we'll use this law, a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Yes. Therefore here 3 raised to minus 5 into, now this minus 5 is comes to this 2 as well as 5. 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3. Similarly, here 2 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. Yes, now you can see here, this 2 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5 get cancelled. Similarly, 3 raised to minus 5, 3 raised to minus 5 get cancelled. Now what it remains here, 5 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3. Now we can add this one, means 5 raised to minus 5 plus 3 If base are equal, multiplication means we have to add the power to the denominator. 5 raised to minus 7 is equal to 5 raised to minus 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 7. Now base are equal. Division means we have to subtract the power. Is equal to 5 raised to minus 2 minus 7. Now we know that minus into minus it is plus. Therefore 5 raised to minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Yes, this is the answer.